Qifor Glass Cleaner Review. Does it really work? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. And if streaks and cloudy glass keep showing up no matter what cleaner is used, this will make it clear whether Qifor is actually worth trying. Qifor is made for windows, mirrors, glass tables, and car windshields. The promise is simple: spray, wipe, and get clear glass without streaks. It is used by spraying it directly on the glass, waiting a few seconds, and wiping with a clean cloth or paper towel. It spreads evenly and does not drip too much, which makes it easier to control than very watery cleaners. Unlike dirt and fingerprints, most of it comes off on the first wipe. Normal mess does not need heavy scrubbing. On dirtier glass, a second quick wipe may be needed, but it still clears up without much effort. This makes it good for everyday cleaning where speed matters. Streaks are the biggest problem with glass cleaners, and this is where Qifor performs well. After the glass dries, it usually stays clear without cloudy lines or white marks, even when checked in bright light. This makes it useful for mirrors and windows where streaks are easy to see. The smell is mild and not harsh. It can be used in small rooms without feeling overwhelming, which makes cleaning more comfortable compared to strong chemical sprays. There are still limits. If the glass is very greasy or has not been cleaned in a long time, more than one spray and wipe may be needed. Also, the cloth matters. Using a dirty or dusty cloth can still cause streaks no matter how good the cleaner is. Qifor works best for regular cleaning like fingerprints, dust, and light dirt. It is not meant to fix years of heavy buildup in one spray. So does it really work? For everyday glass cleaning, yes. It removes normal dirt easily, dries clear, and saves time because there's less re-wiping. It is not magic, but it does what it promises for regular use. If the goal is easy, streak-free glass without strong smells or hard scrubbing, Qifor is a solid option.